Okay, we're looking here at C1 particles, slides 4 to 6. We've firstly been given a temperature range here. This is for water. And we've been told that its melting point is 0 and the boiling point is 100. We're then given a series of temperatures and we're asked to determine the state of the water at this temperature. Let's look at the first one, minus 10. Minus 10 is to the left of the boiling point. Oh, sorry, the melting point. We know that in melting we go from solid to liquid, which means at minus 10 we are in the solid state. Next one, 110, is 10 degrees above the boiling point. And again, we know that boiling is liquid to gas. On the left-hand side, we're going to be liquid. On the right-hand side, we're going to be gas. And so therefore, we are on a gas state. That remains that 50 degrees is liquid. Well, we notice that is between the melting and the boiling point, and so hence it is in the liquid state. Oh, a crossword, right. Obviously, be careful with spelling here. Let's see if we can't make any mistakes here. Number 1 down. We're going changing from liquid to gas. Okay, and gassing and gas bubbles forming in the liquid. That is boiling. Okay, let's have a look at 3 across here. In this state, particles spread out to fill a whole container. That is the gas state. And all substances are made of tiny particles. 4, changing state from liquid to gas. Particles leave the surface only. That is evaporation. In this state, particles vibrate on the spot. That is a solid. 7 across, we'll go the random movement and mixing of particles. That is diffusion. And last one, a state where substance can flow but it cannot be compressed. That is going to be a liquid. Final one for this one. Okay, don't worry about this one too much if you're having trouble with variables. Okay, we've got Sam investigating in diffusion. Okay, he puts crystals of 3 different colored substances into different beakers and wants to find the one which is most quickly diffuses most quickly. So, in this case, he wants to think about the crystals and how quickly they diffuse. And so that means what he's going to be measuring is the time. Okay, we've got to think here about the different things that he is looking for in his experiment. What he's looking at here is independent and dependent variable. Independent variable is the thing that Sam is going to change. Okay, and in this case, he's putting different substances in there. So what he's going to do there is he's going to put a different substance in there. He's then going to measure the dependent variable, which is the time. After that, he's got to think of the things that he's got to keep the same. Well, he needs to use the same size of crystal, even though they're different substances. He uses the same volume of water, and also the same water temperature, because we know the higher the temperature, the higher the diffusion. The control variables are therefore the things that we need to keep constant here. That's slides 4 to 6. And please wait for the next video, which is slides 7 to 9.